Hey guys, in today's video, I want to show you 8 different Father's Day themed tumblers that are already selling over $1,000 a month on Amazon as of today, as of right now, that will certainly see an uptick in demand as we get closer to Father's Day. And I'm going to show you how you can create and sell your own on Awkward Styles right now. So let's get to it. The first thing I wanted to show you guys is that Vexels has 2 different types of tumblers that you can currently sell in their catalog. They integrate directly with Etsy and they integrate with Shopify, and I actually did a video a couple weeks back that I'll link to in the description where you can connect Shopify to your Amazon store, and you can honestly connect Shopify to just about anywhere. So that means you can sell Awkward Styles tumblers on any e-commerce platform. If you use Pro, you actually bring the price down significantly. So I'll also drop a code that'll give you 2 months of Awkward Styles Pro for free in the description. So the Adventure Tumbler 20 ounce is the most similar tumbler to what I'm going to be showing you in this video, and you can find that in their product catalog. I'll link to that in the description. So the first tumbler I wanted to show you, and I'm going to move myself a little bit off screen so I don't block the numbers, is it's not a dad bod, it's a father figure. So someone took a popular, I'm going to call it a popular t-shirt design, because I mean, at least with regards to when I was introduced to this design, it was first on a t-shirt. Maybe it started on a tumbler. I doubt it though, it's probably a t-shirt. If you cared enough, you could actually look at Amazon. They do show the date published. But this is doing, according to Jungle Scout projections, which is the most accurate Amazon tool in terms of projections. They've actually taken seller data and confirmed this, although it is, kind of contingent on what category you look at. But they're saying that this is doing about 92 sales a month right now for about $2,295 in revenue. This tumbler is the Dad Nutrition Facts, and it actually has multiple designs. Like there's a different design on the front and the back. This seller specifically decided to go about their design process this way, and this is possible to do in Awkward Styles, by the way, and I'll show you that in just a few minutes. So this one, the Best Dad Ever / Dad Nutrition Facts, and I recognize that font there, is doing about 81 sales a month and $2,021 in revenue. This one is both front and back mechanics, right? And if I didn't actually show the title of the listing, but it was geared towards dads, being intended to be gifted as a tumbler gift for dads, I guess, that are mechanics that like to get their hands dirty. And this is doing about 126 sales a month for $3,144 in revenue. This one is, how about this, a Funkle tumbler. So don't just think about dads, think about stepdads, think about grandpas, think about uncles, and of course Funkles. I always think of Rob Dyrdek from Fantasy Factory. When his sister had a kid, he said that he wanted to be a Funkle, the fun uncle. So this one is doing about 50 sales and doing $999 in revenue a month. This tumbler, so now we're getting into more simpler tumblers. It says, can't work today, my arm is in a cast. So gifts for dad that love fishing. Doing about 69 sales a month, $1,379 in revenue. Here's one more. It's a gamer's tumbler. So who says you have to stop gaming when you become a dad? It says, do not disturb, I'm gaming. Doing 63 sales a month, $1,259 in revenue. In this one here, it says dad, noun, a real life superhero with unlimited expert advice, a protector and encourager. See also ATM, spider killer, handyman, teller of bad jokes, chauffeur, and bodyguard. So they made this one real humorous there. I love that. Doing about 20 sales a month for $499 in revenue. And here's one more. This is almost like a bonus one, right? So they took the I'm not old, I'm classic t-shirt design, made their own variation of it, slapped it on a tumbler, and what do you know, guys? This is what I always tell you. If you see winning designs, don't get lazy, all right? When you have winners, whether it's your winner or somebody else's, make it available for sale on more products, on more marketplaces, make variations in the design. Maybe one's grayscale and the other one's color, you know what I mean? Whatever it is. But this one right here on a tumbler, 117 sales a month, $2,919 in revenue. Not bad, all right? And these are only going to see an uptick as we get closer to Father's Day. So let's jump on over to Awkward Styles and design one of these tumblers. Sorry for interrupting. I wanted to let you know that linked in the description, you can find my free print-on-demand mini course that is completely new for 2023. If you sign up, it'll help you get your first sale. And down there, you'll find a link to my print-on-demand Facebook group. I hope you'll join the community. All right, guys, so here on Awkward Styles in their product catalog, you can see they have the Adventure Tumbler 20 ounce. From here, you can actually click, and they have a bunch of product photos that you can actually utilize in your listings if you want to, if you're listing on places like, well, really anywhere, Amazon, Etsy, etc. Just remember that if you list on Amazon or Walmart, you know what I mean, you need that white background on the first image. And actually, as we design, so you can click Let's Design. As we design, or after we design, actually, I mean, it'll generate a mock-up based on the graphic that we choose to use. Now, for my Tumblr design, and this is actually a little bit of a potentially sharp idea, Father's Day is in June. June is also Pride Month. What if people have two fathers? All right. What if it's, you know, a gay couple and they have two dads? All right. Well, how about a Pride Tumblr? All right. I got this pattern from Vexels, which I can also link to in the description. They keep a team of professional graphic designers on their staff that create high-end graphics, and if you have a subscription, you can get graphics by request each month. So check this out. We have a pattern here with the pride flags, the rainbows, the hearts that say love, all in the pride theme. And it was really that simple. What you just saw me do is take a pre-made graphic, upload it to Awkward Styles. Now, I'm doing a very easy example here, and I can actually show you a preview. Go ahead and click preview up there, and it'll generate a mock-up for you on the fly. But you know how I mentioned in some of those tumblers we looked at, the early ones, they had designs on the front and the back, and they split it up like that? You can also do that in Awkward Styles. Just don't add a pattern that applies to the whole product itself. So you can see here it generated a bunch of mock-ups for us that we can use. And from here, we could do something like order a sample. We could integrate with Etsy directly or integrate with Shopify, then push it to any e-commerce platform. This is the start of whatever you want it to be. You know what I mean? But the real thing to remember is that in order to make sales, we have to make it easy on the customers to find us, right? Number one, find us, which means go to the platforms that they look to make purchases on. Etsy, Amazon are good places to start. Then create quality products like the one you saw me sell right here, right in front of you. This is using my Vexels subscription, right? And not everybody has a Vexels subscription. Oh, Ryan, what if multiple people sell the same thing? Okay, it's possible, but I'm not worried about that, right? Because instead of stopping and worrying and overthinking this, I'm going to be selling more products, right? I'm going to be creating new listings. I'm going to be in different niches. I'm just going to move forward. I'm not trying to move backwards or get into paralysis by overanalysis, guys. I'm moving my business forward. That's how I actually got to this point, right? It's because I actually did the work. So I'm just going to challenge you guys. Don't overthink this. Tumblers are selling well. You can get great pricing with Awkward Styles. And if you use code Ryan Hogue linked in the description, you get 2 months free. They sell even better. Like you get an even more profit, which you can then use to maybe pump some ad dollars, increase visibility, and start to rank ahead of the peak demand for Father's Day. So I'm just thinking out loud here, guys, but there's nothing wrong with that. Do you like my idea of the Pride tumblers? I mean, hey, I'm always looking to make double sales. That's an easy way potentially of making multiple sales. Plus, I mean, hey, the Pride stuff, it sells year round. It's not just a Father's Day thing. So guys, I hope you found this video useful. Check out Awkward Styles. The tumblers are great. They have multiple kinds too. They have the other kind of tumbler as well that I initially mentioned. What do they call it? The cold cup. So check that out if that's your thing. You can order samples before you publish to your store if you want to. I'll drop all the links to everything, including Awkward Styles, Vexels, in the description. And I can drop a link to Jungle Scout too if you want, that I used for the Amazon sales projections. But I hope you found this video useful. If you did, let me know in the comments, and let the YouTube algorithm know by dropping a like. And please subscribe if you're not already. I know about half of you guys are, half of you guys aren't. So if you want to subscribe, that'd be great. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with a new video.